Hi, well this is my layout I plan to build. I've actually got it on my table downstairs in the dining room. Well that's it, what you can see. It's at the moment it's going to be a DCC layout with basically any stock what I like. So at the moment all three of these are DCC. I can get all of them to go around as I've got a Fleischmann controller here. I'll just send this, what was it, number 46. As I've got also the codes on the thing, so that's a 46. So I'll select that one and I'll send it off on its way. Hopefully. There we go. So now I'll be coming around. Also with these ones I've got the lights on as well. So the lights on that one, and I've also got it. Oh, whoops. That didn't work too well. I forgot that I'd got the points set around the wrong way. Excuse me on that one. These are all going to be electric points as well. Just set that one back around. So hopefully that will go off. There we go. Right, the plan for this layout is that I want a double main line, well a main line I should say really, and also a little area for shunting. So I've got a little area for shunting, which I've got this train in here at the moment, the turntable, which, well, this is all Fleischmann track with the Fleischmann turntable. Most of it, apart from the starter set which I got with the digital German train, is all, well actually it's all off of eBay. I bought the Fleischmann one off eBay, all of the track off eBay. I also bought these two electric, well, American locos off eBay as well, for quite a good price. But yeah, everything's going to be electrified. I don't know how I'm going to make that go around at all, but at the moment it's just twist it around and hope for the best. Obviously powered by them, which are going to be connected to the track, hopefully by soldering. And yeah, well, I don't know how I'm going to do it at the moment, because obviously main station is going to be somewhere here, and obviously it's only going to be able to use one area, because otherwise the shunting area is going to be a bit too big. But that's what I'm planning for the moment. I also went to the International Engage exhibition, well, this weekend. I bought myself a nice pack of Intercity stuff for 50 quid because it's return stock. I've just had it run off the track about 10 minutes ago using my trusty triangle controller. And well, it goes around fine. I've bought some stuff to put it into DCC. All I'm waiting for is the soldering iron, and then it'll be able to go around and with all of these other ones. Right, I'm going to send this one off because I'm bored. Okay, that one, it should be, hopefully, I think it's 12. I might be wrong, but oh, bollocks. Sorry, language. Right, now try it. No. Right, in reverse. I've got the lights on, as you can hopefully see from there. Nah, it's got stuck. Okay. Obviously, as these points are from eBay, they aren't the most reliable things in the world. Right. And I've done it again. I sent it off the track as well. I can't be bothered with that. But yeah, all of it's controlled from my handheld controller. Obviously I'm controlling that one at the moment with the light. All I have to do is press FO, which is going to be the menu button, to turn the light off and on. But at the moment, this is all the rolling stock I've got. I used to have a Great Western layout, which is up in my room, which I'll probably put a picture of. Well, I'll put a picture of what's now got all of my junk from my room on it. And also I've got to try finding space for this somewhere in my room. God knows where I'm going to try finding space, but that's another question. Right, I'm just going to put this down and let you see the train. So, right. Right, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, do whatever. Sorry about some of it, as it is really my first post with me talking in it, so I will apologise for that. Yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.